Good morning, Primary 4. I'm Miss Engy, your math teacher for this year. Today we are going to explain lesson 4 in unit 1, comparing and ordering decimals. The first slide here. At first, how we compare between any two decimals? At first, compare between the whole numbers. If they are different, so the bigger is bigger. Okay? But if they are equal wholes, go to the decimal part. And at first, you must make a balance. You must make a balance by putting 0 outside on the right side, okay? To make the number of digits of the decimal part are equal, okay? And then compare between the decimal. Let's start if we have 16.3 and 6.63. Which is bigger? 16.3, here, at first compare between the wholes, 16 and 6. Which is bigger? 16, of course. So, we don't care about the decimal. The first side is bigger. Next, 5.07 and 6. Which is bigger, 5 or 6? 6, of course, is bigger. Okay? Next, 3.24 and 3.42. Now, look to the whole. Here is 3 and the other side is 3. Now, go to the decimal part. Here we have 2 digits and here we have 2 digits. It's already balanced. Okay. Now, 24 and 42. Which is bigger? 42 is bigger. So, the second side is bigger. 29.15 and 29.5. 29 equal 29. The whole are equal. Go to the decimal part. Here we have 15 and here we have 5. At first make a balance. Balance. Here we have 2 digits and here we must have 2 digits by putting a 0 on the right of 5. So here we have 15 and here we have 50. Which is bigger? 50, of course, is bigger. The next, 3.5 and 3.05. The wholes are equal. Go to the decimal part. 5 and 0.5. Make a balance. Put 0 on the right of the 5. It will be 50 and 0.5. 50 and 5. Which is bigger? 50, of course, is bigger. 5.6 and 5.60. 5 equal 5. Go to the decimal part. Here we have 6 and here we have 60. Don't. Pay attention. Make a balance at first. Don't say that 60 is bigger. Make a balance. Put 0 on the right of the 6. It will be 60 and 60. So they are equal. Be careful. Next slide. Now, 15 point. Here, it's an exercise. Put more than or equal or less than. 15.428 and 15.443. Sorry. 43. Which is bigger? The whole are equal. Go to the decimal. Make the balance. Put 0 on the right of the 3. Now compare 428, 430. Which is bigger? Of course, 430. Now, 28.4 and 2.84. Of course, 28 is bigger. The whole is bigger, so stop and put the sign. 2 and quarter and 2.23. Can we compare between mixed and decimal? Yes, of course you can. But at first convert one of them to the other. I will convert the mixed into the decimal. Okay? Now, how I convert this? Remember the levers. What is the lever of 425? Times 25 up and down. The whole as it is. 1 times 25 equal 25. 4 times 25 equal 100. Now, we will write it in a decimal form. It will be 2.25. Which is bigger now? 2.25 or 2.23? 2.25 is bigger, of course. So 2 and quarter is bigger than 2.23. 199.999. 100 is a whole. Compare it with the 99. Which is bigger? 100 is a bigger. 3/10 and 30. Write 3/10 in a math language by a numbers. 0.3, sorry. 0.3. 3/10, it will be 0.3. The whole here is 0 and the whole in the other side is 30. 30 is bigger. So the 30 will be the bigger side. Now next slide, the second part of our lesson today is ordering decimal. We will arrange a group of decimal in an ascending order. This question in your book, page 24. If we have 157, 152.3, 152.13, 157.1. Please, before ordering, you must make the balance. Okay? At first, compare by the whole. Which is the end? 152, 152, 157. Okay, the smaller is 152, but we have two 152. Which is smaller? Go to the decimal part, but at first make the balance. Put 0 on the right of the 3, it will be 30, and 13, which is smaller? 13. So 152.13 is the smallest one, and then 152.3. Now, 157 and 157, of course 157 only is smaller than 157.1. So it will be 157 and the last one 157.1. The last question in your book also, page 24. Arrange these numbers or these decimals in a descending order. At first, search about the greatest whole number. Which is greatest? 34. But we have 334. Now, make the balance to the decimal part. Put 0 beside 12 and 2 zeros beside 2. Now, which is bigger one? 120 or 200 or 102? The bigger one is 200. So, the first number I must write 34.2, then 34.12, then 34.102, and the smallest one is 31.24. This is our lesson today. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson and understand it very well. Thank you. See you next time.